An autopsy will not be done on the late Park Ji-sun. Park Ji-sun and her mother passed away in their home on November 2, 2020. The police were dispatched at 1:44 p.m. KST, and they confirmed the passing of Park Ji-sun and her mother at 2:15 p.m. A note that appears to have been written by Park Ji-sun's mother was found, but its contents will not be revealed. On November 3, 2020, Seoul Mapo Police Station announced there are no signs of anyone breaking in, and as what appears to be a final note was discovered, there is no reason to suspect a crime. While the police initially considered having an autopsy on Park Ji-sun to determine the exact cause of her passing, they ultimately decided not to conduct an autopsy due to the low likelihood of a homicide and to respect the decision of her family. Park Ji-sun and her mother funeral procession will take place on November 5, 2020 at 7 a.m. KST. May Park Ji-sun and her mother rest in peace.